Run that back, turbo.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The backhand just came in and all honest. Fives galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from a
what is up? AshecaLee here, back at it with another. So in this video I'm pretty much doing like a date night look, and I'm just sharing with you guys everything that I use. So this will be a hair and makeup transformation, and yeah, with that being said, let's just get into the video. But before we get into it, this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and also check the description bar down below for all the products that I use in this video. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so starting off with the brows, we're going to be using the Maybelline Brow Temptation, and I'm just using this to fill in my brows and to create a sharper brow, and using the end of the product to kind of like fill it out, and then I go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and go ahead and actually fill it in and darken up my brows. Now to conceal my brows, I am going in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer, and I'm just using this to carve out the bottom and also the top of my brows. You guys, don't pay attention to that big old pimple on my face. It just popped up and it made me very sad, but just ignore it for the meantime. So I'm also taking that concealer on my eyelids and taking my fluffy blending brush and just blending out the harsh lines. And then going in with the Maybelline Brow Gel just to set my eyebrow hairs in place. And I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette, taking that tan color right in my crease area and just blending in back and forth motions. Then going into that brown color, I'm using this color to add a bit more definition in my crease to just create like a more smokier eye and give it a bit more depth. We're just going to continue to pack that brown shade on the outer corners and in our crease area, and just make sure that it's all blended out. So now I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner, and I'm just drawing a nice little wing just because I think it will add a great effect to the look that we're doing today. So going into the palette, I'm taking the black matte shade and I'm packing that on the outer corner of my eyes, and then going in with a clean fluffy blending brush and blending it into our crease area. So this black shade is just going to make our eyes look like a gradient effect. And now I'm using the Maybelline mascara just to coat my lash, and I did apply glue to my lashes. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Loreal Glotion in the shade 409 and 408 and just rub that in. I love using this. It gives my face a nice glow underneath my foundation. And for foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 335, and I'm just buffing this into my skin, and we're going to do this while my lashes dry and the adhesive on the lashes get a little bit tacky. So now for concealer, I'm going in with the Colourpop concealer in the shade tan beige, I think, and actually no, I'm going in with the Urban Decay concealer in the shade medium light, and then going in with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I forgot what shade, it will be in the description box below. And to cream contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Expresso. And I started off using a beauty blender to blend that out, but I didn't really like it, so I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush, and I find that using brushes makes it look more smooth. Today I'm just gonna go in and blend out my contour with the Real Techniques sculpting brush. And also take that up on my forehead, just because I don't apply product on my forehead. I just use the residue that's on a brush and go ahead and apply it on my forehead. I love using the brush to blend out my concealer. It works perfectly and everything just looks seamless. So now I'm going in to set my concealer with my Maybelline setting powder, and I love this setting powder. It's kind of like a banana powder. It has a very nice yellow tint to it, and it does the job. And I'm just setting all the areas that I applied the concealer to. And I'm also going underneath my cheekbones and then using my damp beauty blender to press the powder in. I feel like it gives it more of a seeped in look rather than just the powder sitting on my face. And to set my contour, I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, one of my favorite inexpensive products. And also using that same product on my nose as well to set my contour. And then going in with blush, I'm taking the Morphe 9B palette, and I just mixed a couple colors together, and I like to dust it over my nose as well. And then to set all my powders in, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I love this. It makes everything look like skin. Now back to the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Gel Liner and just applying this in my waterline. And then also taking that same mascara and applying it on my lower lash line. And for highlighter, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I'm just applying this on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. And to line my lips, I'm taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Cappuccino, just to line them. And then going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. I'm not sure the name, just check the description bar. And I'm putting in my earrings. I'm getting ready to head out. I was in a rush filming this video, but I wanted to make sure that, you know, I got this look out for you guys. So I have my earrings in, I'm taking my scarf off, and I'm about to show you guys my hair. If you guys want to see an in-depth hair tutorial on how I got my hair like this, then give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a hair video, because I love this. I think this is going to be my go-to natural hairstyle. It's so pretty. So I'm just adding the NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss on top of my lips, and yeah, checking myself out. And I'm also going back in with the brush over the areas that I missed with my scarf on, and going over also my edges, making sure that they're okay, and yeah. Alright, loves, so that completes this video. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and before we go, today's motivational quote is, "You've seen how God is moving. Stop sampling His grace and embrace what He is calling you to do." So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.